Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a squishy makeover. But before we do that, I'm going to give a quick shout out to Naya. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. So, Moriah Elizabeth has a series of squishy makeovers. I love these videos and I wanted to try it out. So, my credit goes to her. And I just really like her pastel rainbow vibe and I wanted to try it out on my own squishy. So this is the squishy I'm going to be using. There's nothing wrong with it, it's just I've had it for a while and it's the plainest squishy I have. So I wanted to really transform it. So I have a plastic wallet with some slightly watered down acrylic paint. And I painted 2 coats of white as a base layer. Moriah usually preps her squishies by sanding it down. I didn't do this, but I probably should have, as you will see later on in this video. Next, I custom mixed some pastel colours and I wanted to create a rainbow gradient. So I started off with some pastel blue and then without washing my brush, I dipped it into the yellow to create pastel green. Then I moved on to the yellow and then the pink. I did 2 coats of this and then I painted a white frosting outline and painted 2 coats of this as well. Next I took some black paint and I painted to create the face. The nose and mouth was a little bit too big, but we moved. I also added some sprinkles. So I had these charms and they kind of fit the vibe. So I stuck the cake on the head and gave it a lollipop charm. I do have a tutorial on how you can make your own lollipop charm, so I'll leave that in the description. Then I started to squish it. The acrylic paint didn't really have a bad effect on the squishy. It was still soft and slow rising, but then the more I played with it, the paint peeled off. And then I got carried away and peeled it all off. But yeah, make sure you prep the squishy beforehand. And that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Bye!